Hi all, you are welcome in your own channel Future Technology. This video is part of our data science full course series. First of all, let us see what we will learn in this video today. Agenda: what is sample method and type of sampling. What is sample method? We know that a subset of a population is called a sample. In the previous video, we have seen it. If you have not seen that video, click the I button and watch that video. The sampling technique we use to select some individual people from the population. It is also a time convenient and cost effective method and so form the basis of any research design. This technique can be used in any new research with the aim of getting good result. We understand this with an example. You all know that coronavirus is spreading all over the world at this time. Now, suppose in this case, if a company has prepared the vaccine for this epidemic, now the company has to check on the vaccine on people whether this vaccine is working right or not. Since this epidemic has spread all over the world, but the company cannot do this research on the people of the whole world. It is completely impossible. That include people from all over the world. In such condition, the researchers set a sample of a people from each demographic, research them. Guys, I hope you understand what is sample method. If you any question and any doubt, so you can ask by comment. Now, type of sampling. Probability sampling. Probability sampling is a sampling technique where the researchers select some criteria and randomly select the member of the population. Simple random sampling is a technique of sampling where each object in the population has an equal probability of being selected in the sample. Cluster sampling. In cluster sampling, the researcher divide the population into separate cluster called clusters. The population is divided into group by population. Then a simple random sample of group is selected from the population. Systematic random sample. The researcher first randomly select the first item or subject from the population. Then the researcher will select each nth subject from the list. In this technique, the researcher select up to the nth number. Stratified random sampling. Stratified random sampling is a method in which the researcher divide the population into a small group that do not overlap, which is called strata. The process of classifying a population into group is called stratification. Non-probability sampling. In non-probability sampling, the researcher select member for research at random. This sampling method is not a fixed or predefined selection process. Convenience sampling. This technique is used by researcher in situation where there is a large population. In most cases, testing the entire community is practically impossible because they are not easy to reach. Researchers use convenience sampling in situation where additional input is not necessary for major research. Judgmental or purposive sampling. Judgmental or purposive sampling is a non-probability sampling technique in which sample members are selected based only on the knowledge and judgment of the researcher. Snowball sampling. Snowball sampling is a sampling method. It is sampling technique in which existing subject provide referral to recruit the sample needed for research studies. This is applied by research when it is difficult to locate subject. Quota sampling. In quota sampling, in this sampling technique, members are selected based on a predetermined standard. In this, the researcher include a sample that represent a population. Researcher choose this individual according to specific traits or qualities. Guys, in this video section, we have learned about sample method and type of sampling. If you have any problem in this video section, then you can ask by comment and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the information of the new video immediately. If you like this video, then like it and share it. Thanks for watching.